Welcome to the SimpleOne Home Inventory Manager. To add a new item, start by entering the item name. In this example, we are cataloging Grandpa's glasses. Next, input the purchase price and select the purchase date from the drop-down calendar to keep your financial records accurate. Now, enter where the item was purchased from. To add a visual record, click on the main photo box. This opens your File Explorer, where you can select a clear image of the item. Once selected, the thumbnail will appear instantly in your dashboard. Select the current status, such as in use, and the condition of the item. You can also add specific details like the brand and model or a serial number. These details are vital for insurance claims or police reports if an item is ever lost or stolen. Organize your inventory by selecting a category. If you need a specific category that isn't listed, simply click the update icon to add your own, like Grandpa's special collection. After that, assign a current location, such as the office, so you always know exactly where to find it. Documentation is key. Use the middle section to upload scans of receipts and warranties. Further down, you can manage maintenance and repair information, setting dates for the last service and scheduling the next one to keep your items in top shape. The app also handles ownership details. You can list the current owner and even name a planned heir for estate planning purposes. Finally, update the current estimated value and add any personal ownership notes to preserve the story behind the item.